Our goal is to plant over 750,000 trees within the Secwépemcul'ecw. Following that, we're looking at 1 million trees with the support of the WWF. We've been expanding into more cultural heritage and understanding from the communities what is important, what they want to see back on the land. Aspen is a big one, and birch for medicines. And those are the deciduous species that we look to replant in our wildfire areas because they're not only medicinal, but they're also fire mitigators. The understory is an important piece. Understory is the cultural significant plants. Understory is the grasses, it's the shrubs, it's the piece that actually helps provide the nutrients and the things that it needs for our trees to grow. What we're finding is currently some of these species are not coming back, especially after a wildfire and a mega wildfire where the ground is burned so hot that the seed is gone. The reason why we say mega fires is because there's so much fuel on the ground right now from past forest management. And we've seen these monoculture plantations going in and there's little spacing and they're just left to grow on their own. And what we're seeing is that those are falling over or they're dying. And so then this creates more fuel management to the ground. Because we've moved away from cultural burning and prescribed burning, we're seeing the fuel building up over and over and over. So this is what's causing that intense heat. We're looking to try and find other sources of those seeds to put back into those areas. So looking at working with communities by identifying those plants, doing some seed collection, or what we're looking to do is do a First Nations seed recovery program and collecting those seed species, sorting them, drying them, and storing them for future restoration. We have to establish relationships and trust. I believe Indigenous knowledge is a key to helping fight our fires, especially the cultural burning. By having that traditional knowledge, it really helps the wildfire groups be able to manage those fires more effectively and efficiently and maybe be able to get them out sooner.